to JermaineAuNatural. I am Jermaine Ryan, and I'm already in the shower. You want to know why? My hair is already wet and separated. You want to know why? And remember that any videos that pop up above will always be linked down below in the description box and sometimes in the end cards for you to watch after this one. This is CurlSmith. This is the CurlSmith Shine line. This is the CurlSmith Shine line that is fragrance free, good for most people with sensitive skins. I purchased the Shine Cream, which is the leave-in conditioner, lightweight, and the Shine Gel, lasting definition frizz control, stronghold 9. And of course, with the standard that is that of CurlSmith. Of course, the things are vegan. Of course, the things are cruelty-free and color-safe and no perfume, since this is a sensitive fragrance-free line. And it is also sulfate and or silicones free. As I mentioned in the wash portion and conditioning portion of the video, is that one thing that I do love and like about the products is that all of them say to apply to soaking wet hair. Since I do most of my wash days in the shower entirely, I like that. I don't have to dry it, I don't have to get out the tub, I don't have to do anything but just keep water on it. Love it. All right, so I am gonna start with the leave-in. Hair is already sopping, and let's see what it smells like. Nothing. Oh,
that was a big load of cream.
that came out, this looked like a lotion too. So if I was gonna compare this to a lotion, this looks like a lot for this one section. Normal, if this was a lotion, it would be a normal skin lotion. It is just straight up and down creamy. And now that I'm working it in and smelling it, this smells like ingredients mixed together, no particular smell in any type of way. Boom. Done and done. Done and done. How's it look, precious? All right, on to the next. Okay, leave-in Shine Cream, all apply. Now, time to go in with the Shine Gel. Hold as a norm. Again, soaking wet hair, smooth through. Use the flats of your hands. Shout out to those of you who like the flats. Use the flats of your hands to ensure strands are evenly coated. Scrunch. We don't scrunch, we have a natural curl up. Scrunch upwards, then define your pattern. And it gives you the option to break in the cast, but you know, we don't do that. All right, so, wait, soaking wet hair. Much better. Ooh, clear ice. That's all I'm gonna say. If you know, you know, clear ice. Ooh, this is a gloopy gel. Clear ice. So just smoothing and raking. So you all know how I do. I then subsection, add a tad bit more gel. My hair is still sopping, so I don't need any more water. And I'm gonna go through and do the rest. Woo! All right. I'm going to get out of the shower. I'm going to do a nice intentional part, an angular something somewhere. Y'all know how I do. Sit underneath my heated dryer, and I'll probably come back in a day or two and show you how it looks. But in the meantime, let's give you my initial 360. I will say that right now it does have has a nice shine to it. I will. All right, so I will. Hey, it me. All right, it is 2 days later. Let's give you a quick 360. Ooh, why'd I look like that? Why'd I stick it up like buckwheat? Alfalfa? Alfalfa. Got out of the shower, made a nice, clear, and intentional part. Little bit of water, put some more gel there to hold it, and it don't move. That gel, it feel more like a 10 type of hold, but I wanted to come back, give you a 2-day after look at the hair. So I'll probably come back in a couple more days, just so that we can wrap the video up and talk about what everything said, what it did, and if there's anything that I need from it. But 2 days in, I'll be back. Hey, it's me. All right, it is day 5. So let me give you a quick 360, then we'll talk about what the cream and the leave-in and the gel said did, and if there's anything that I need from them. 360. Oh, is that a hole? This is my utility t-shirt. I didn't know it had a hole in it though. I just took this off the washing machine. That's so funny. Let's talk about what the thing said and if there's anything I need from it. So starting first with the Shine Cream, which is their leave-in conditioner. So per the site, it says that it is that it is lightweight, that it is good for fine hair, that it's going to be moisturizing for even coarser type hair. It says it is designed to absorb in your hair without leaving residue, and it is a perfect base for your styling products. Lightweight. Yes, it is very super light. It did absorb into my hair very, very, very easily. It definitely did add shine to my hair. As far as being moisturizing enough for coarser types hair, not for mine. Not for mine. It was too light for my hair. So if I was gonna need anything from it, I would need more moisture. I want more. So yeah, it did all of the other things, just wasn't moisturizing enough for my hair. So if you do like super light leave-ins, this would be right up your alley. Next, the fragrance-free Shine Gel, lasting definition frizz control. Hold is a 9. Per the site, it is the perfect product if you want to achieve glossy hair without compromising the hold. It's got a strong cast, extreme definition, long-lasting frizz control, and weather protection for your curls. And then it says that it's gonna be crunchy, which it was, and I liked it. So if you don't like the cast and you have to break the cast, however you break it, either scrunching it, adding an oil, however you break your cast, break it. It's broken! Then it says once you do that, the curls will be soft and bouncy again. Yes. The hold on this, yeah, it's why even say 9? It might as well be a 10. It's got about as much hold as the in-shower fixer. My hair definitely was shiny. First day, it was super, super shiny. Like the night that I dried it and right before I went to bed, looked at it, super shiny. It kept that shine for about 2 days. And then after that, I had to add some oil to it. But in that same breath, 2 days, strong cast hold. And then when I put the oil on it, it did soften it up some and it got a lot bouncier and freer. This was not my most defined wash and go though. I will say that. Yes, the hold was good. Yes, as you can see, it gave me lots of really great definition. But that very first day, I had a lot of volume, which let me know that it wasn't really clumping my curls that much. It was holding them, but it wasn't really clumping them. I think that if you like a strong, mostly defined, voluminous gel, I think this is going to be that. That's how it worked for my hair. And I enjoyed the volume. Like, I like this. Here's the thing though. This is how it looked the very next day when I took my hair down. So it's been getting a little bit bigger and bigger, but it's pretty much been big, like since day 1. So not the most defined. Like when I was going through and separating, I was seeing a lot of frizz that was in there. So not entirely frizz control for my hair.
Hey, it's me, editing me. I did also want to add that my patch here that doesn't really have real definition unless I manually finger curl them, it actually did clump the curls here. It did give me a little bit of definition up here in the front. So just something to note.
If I needed something from it, I would need it to clump my curls a lot better than what it did. As far as hold goes, yes. Shine, yes. Cast. Lasting definition, Yeah, because I still got definition in my hair and I can actually keep this for several more days if I really, really wanted to. For me, it did almost everything that it said that it was going to do. I need more clumping, which I think would definitely cut down on the amount of frizz that I had. But if you want to go for volume, it definitely gave what, day 3, 4 hair on day 1. Not bad, just not what I thought that it was going to be. But let me know in the comments down below, have you had a chance to get into the CurlSmith, their Shine Recipe, their fragrance-free curl line? Did it do everything for you that it said that it was gonna do? Let me know in the comments down below. Were you shining like the top of the Chrysler building? All right, so make sure that you like this video. Feel free to press the red subscribe button. I am always sharing things that can accommodate all of the people. Oh. Also, I wanted to say, so though everything smells like just ingredients mixed together, particularly the gel, the smell of it to me was like, it smells like fresh opened plastic gloves from the hospital. It's not a bad smell. It doesn't linger. That initial, like, putting it on, yeah, there's something very sterile about the smell of the gel. Even though it smells similar to everything else, there's something a little bit different with this smell. So, but it doesn't smell like anything, but it does at the same time. All right, where was I at? Feel free to share this out if somebody else may want to know how the CurlSmith Shine Recipe fragrance-free line works. Punch the notification bell so that you can stay abreast of when I post my videos. And again, thank you for tuning in to JermaineAuNatural. I'll see you in the next one.